Ever wondered how organizations streamline their maintenance processes and optimize asset lifecycle management? Well, it all starts with understanding two key software systems, CMMS and EAM. Let's dive in. First up, we have a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS. This software is the mastermind behind efficient maintenance strategies. It's the tool that helps organizations stay on top of their maintenance work orders, manage their spare parts inventory, and keep their equipment running smoothly. But what if we want to take a step further and manage not just the maintenance, but the entire life cycle of an asset? That's where Enterprise Asset Management Software, or EAM, comes into the picture. EAM allows organizations to take a holistic view of their assets. It's not just about maintenance anymore. It's about managing the whole shebang, from procurement and commissioning through operation and maintenance, all the way to decommissioning. So in essence, CMMS helps with maintenance while EAM manages the entire life cycle of an asset. Now that we understand what CMMS and EAM are, how do we go about implementing these systems in an organization? First, it's crucial to set clear goals. What do you want to achieve with these systems? Your goals will guide your implementation process. Next, fostering collaboration across departments is key. Remember, CMMS and EAM systems aren't isolated tools. They affect multiple parts of your organization, so ensuring everyone is on board and understands their role in the implementation is vital. Thirdly, budgeting for all costs is a step you can't afford to skip. This includes not just the cost of the software itself, but also training, data migration, and potential system integrations. Organizing accurate data is the fourth step. The effectiveness of your CMMS and EAM systems will largely depend on the quality of data you feed into them. Gaining leadership support is another important step. Leaders can help drive adoption and address any resistance to change. Choosing the right vendor is the sixth step. This decision should be based on factors like the vendor's reputation, the features and scalability of their software, and the quality of their customer support. Finally, roll out the system gradually. Start with a pilot group, gather feedback, make adjustments, and then expand to other parts of your organization. Remember, successful implementation is a process, not an overnight event. While there are similarities between CMMS and EAM, EAM holds some unique features not typically found in CMMS. One such feature is contract management. This feature allows organizations to efficiently handle contracts, ensuring that no important detail is missed. Next, we have fleet management. Fleet management in EAM helps organizations to manage and maintain their fleet of vehicles or equipment systematically, aiding in optimal utilization of assets. Thirdly, EAM offers schematics. This feature provides visual guides of assets, helping to understand the asset's structure and its components better, which can be invaluable during maintenance or repair work. Another noteworthy feature is warranty tracking. It keeps a record of all warranties, ensuring that organizations make the most of their warranty claims and avoid unnecessary costs. Lastly, EAM includes energy monitoring. This feature helps organizations to track and manage energy consumption, promoting sustainability and cost savings. These additional features make EAM a comprehensive tool for managing an organization's assets. Implementing EAM is not only about using the software, it requires a strategic approach. Now let's dig into that strategic approach. The first step is planning. This involves setting clear goals, budgeting for all potential costs, and organizing accurate data. Also, it's crucial to gain the support of your leadership team early on. Once they're on board, it's easier to roll out the system gradually and ensure wide adoption. Next, ongoing training is an essential part of the EAM strategy. It's not enough to just install the software. Your team needs to understand how to use it effectively. Finally, implementing EAM is a continuous process. Regular system reviews are necessary to assess how well the software is meeting your organization's needs. This allows for adjustments and improvements to be made over time. With the right strategy and adherence to best practices, CMMS and EAM can truly revolutionize how an organization manages its assets. And there you have it, a simple guide on implementing CMMS and EAM software. It's time to put that knowledge into action. Make your maintenance processes efficient and optimize your asset management. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.